Do y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Let's go for another podcast video. Okay, so today's target, we're on the day number 2 right here, and today's target is 1023 according to our current balance. Okay, 1023.29. Okay, and we're gonna only risk 1%. So if we reach 10 03 on 1003, we're gonna stop there and call it a day, right? So I'm currently on the lookout for this one. I already missed the opportunity, right? So I was in 2 months because, as you can see right here, candles were closing very close to each other. So I hesitated to push the trade, and then this bearish candle came down and the price came down and I missed my shot. Okay, it's currently 1906, so hopefully we're going to be able to end this session before 20 o'clock. Okay, so right now this one is pumping a little bit. I also got this one in. Oh, this one is already gone. I also got this one on my list, but in the meantime I'm going to flick around. I'm going to see if I can find more potential trades, so stay tuned in. Joe, we got the first we got the first trade of the day. All right, we can see one was in the uptrend, and then starting to form lower highs. So we got lower high right here, lower high right here, and also lower lows. Okay, so potentially this trend, this chart might fall into this pattern right here between these two green lines over here. And if that's the case, we're gonna take lower positions, right? So I just placed 2 trades. So we got 2 trades going on, 31 seconds on the first trade and 44 seconds on the second trade. So let's see how this thing is going to develop. So MACD is showing lots of red bars, which is a good sign, right? We got a crossover right there, which is another good sign. Price is trading below the 100 EMA, which is another good sign, and is also candles is also closing below the 7 SMA. Okay, so everything indicates that the price potentially will have a continuation to the downside. Okay, so we just lost the first trade. Let's see how it goes for this following trades. We got 5 trades going on. Price is really reacting to this level, so potentially we're not going to see the price going down. So potentially going to lose all these 4 trades. Okay, so again, it might be a bad start, but we're going to finish big. Okay, so 27 seconds to go, and green candle starting to appear. So yeah, seems like the price is no longer have a continuation to the downside. We can see, if we draw a line over here, we can see that the price is doing higher lows. You can see right here that this one is higher than this one. Okay, so it's doing higher lows, and yeah, let's see how it goes. So let's see if the price will come over here to the green line, is going to reject it to the downside, or the price will have a continuation to the upside. So we placed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. So we lost them all already. Damn, that was quick. Okay. In the meantime, let me have a look around. What's up? This one is dumping. We got a crossover there, but still on the uptrend. This one potentially will come to this line, but because we are in the uptrend, I'm not going to take it down lower. I'm going to go higher if has a continuation to the upside. This one right here, okay. Seems like it's going down. So I placed 1 trade right there. Another one here. Another one here. So everything indicates that the price potentially will have a continuation to the downside. Hopefully that will be the case, and we'll be able to secure these full trades going on right now. Everything shows that the price potentially will come down. We're on a downtrend, as you can see right here, and hopefully price will stick to the plan, and we'll be able to profit on these 4 trades going on. Okay, another one right there. Price is really resisting, so potentially, let me Just a few more seconds. $133. Okay, got 14 seconds going on the first trade. Seems like the first trade is not going to be a winner. Or is it? Oh, that was close. Oh, we secured that one. We got a few wins. Oh, we got them all. Cool. Okay, we got 22 seconds. So yeah, price is having a continuation to the downside, which is what we were expecting. Okay, good to see. We got 8 seconds to go and 47 seconds. Hopefully price will come down to this green line so we can secure this trade as well. And we will be back where we started, okay? Because we had a few losses in the beginning, but it happens. Okay, let's have a look at this one. Okay, so as you can see right here, price is doing lower highs and higher lows. Okay, so if you come over here, we can see that it's doing this one. No, it's doing this one right here. So that means that's a bearish. That's a bearish sign. Okay, so it's doing lower highs and higher lows. So that's a bearish. So it will go down. It will go down. Okay, so let's see. Did we win that one? Yeah, we did. Okay, let's see what happens. So that is bearish. On the chart shows a bearish sign. So hopefully this will be a bearish one because we're still on the downtrend, as you can see right here. And this potentially we will break below this purple line and we'll have a continuation to the downside. Okay, so if all goes well, so if this is true, okay, we will see a bearish momentum. Let's go back right here. In the meantime, let me flick around and let me see what's up. Okay, I placed 2 trades right there. Okay, and like it's gonna follow the pattern, and you're gonna have a breakout to the downside. Hopefully that will be the case. Can see that it's on a downtrend. MACD placed a crossover. We got red bars and bearish candles. So everything indicates that price potentially will have a continuation to the downside. So we got 3 trades going on. Yeah, that's a very bearish candle right there. So hopefully we're going to be able to secure these 3 trades. And yeah, that will put us in the green again. Okay, so 582. So going to be at around 16, 1016. And we need to be at 1023 to clear that 1%. Okay, so we got 28 seconds going on. So yeah, as you can see right here, is following the pattern, what the price chart says. So the chart pattern's right here. So it is actually doing what it's supposed to do. Okay, so it's always good to have a cheat sheet so you can check it out if you are in doubt about what kind of pattern you are analyzing. But at the same time, as you can see right here, first of all, I draw these 2 green lines. But then I was like, damn, this is doing a different pattern. So we're doing higher lows and lower highs. So decided to check the sheet, and the sheet was showing that potential would be a bearish momentum, and it actually did. Okay, so we are $8 away to achieve our target. So let's look for the next entry. But again, so potentially we're going to have a continuation to the downside. It comes a little bit over here, but everything is bearish. Okay, so we're on a downtrend. The candles are closing below the 7 SMA. We got the crossover on the MACD, red bars. So everything indicates that potentially the price will have a continuation to the downside. Hopefully that will be the case. And we're going to be able to secure these 2 extra trades that we just placed. So let me just have a look around. So we can call this one the local bottom right here. So if we draw a line over here, Where is it? This one right here. We can say that this one right here, it's the local bottom. So potentially the price will come all the way to this red line. Okay, so if that's the case, we're going to be able to secure these two trades. So we got 29 seconds to go. 1 minute and 33 seconds is a bit too long. Let me go 122. Okay, so we got 15 seconds to go on the first trade and 15 on the second trade. So hopefully all will go well. As you can see right here, price potentially going to consolidate a little bit more before continue to come down to this red zone, red line. Okay, we secured the first one. Let's go for the next one. We secure that one too. Cool. Okay, so we are $6 away to achieve our target. So potentially price going to consolidate a little bit because we can see the two green bars right there. And also these two candles over here, they are a bit weak. So potentially price will consolidate a little bit over here in this area before have a continuation to the downside. So let's look around for the next trade. Okay, next one, we have a bearish flag. Okay, we can see from the top, doing higher lows, higher highs, and higher lows, and then from there, price will potentially come down. Okay, so if you open the charts, we can see that that's what happened. Okay, it came from here, pumped a little bit, and now it came off the pattern, as you can see right here, and potentially we're gonna see a continuation to the downside. Okay, price is in two minds, so I'm not really sure if the price gonna have a continuation to the downside because we're still inside the Keltner channel, but everything indicates that potentially the price will have a continuation to the downside. Okay, so we just gotta wait and see. So if this is a bearish flag, is it bearish flag they call it? Yeah, bearish flag. We're gonna see the price break this pattern and have a continuation to the downside. Okay, we got some green bars over here, which is not good. That's an indication that the momentum is changing. So potentially price will consolidate around here and either gonna go up or down. Okay, so it's a tricky situation, but we just gotta wait and see. We got burned in the last second on the first trade, and the second trade potentially gonna lose it as well. So as you can see right here, histogram showing like green bars. We got 5 seconds to go, and seems like price will have a continuation to the upside. Okay, so bearish flag seems like it's not going to happen yet, but I believe it will happen eventually. Okay, so we just got an opportunity. Let me have a look around. So this one right here is pumping. So if it continues to follow this pattern, we will see a reverse over here, touching this green line and coming down, as has been happening over here in the past. Okay, so we got one red candle coming up, but we can see that histogram showing lots of greens, and we got the crossover. So we gotta wait for the confirmation that the trend is, the momentum is changing. Okay, this one is right there. This one is still here in 2 minds, consolidating, as you can see. Signal is getting weak though, so I'm gonna keep an eye on that one. Is it this one? Yeah, this one right here. I'm gonna keep an eye on that one. Okay, seems like this one's gonna have a continuation to the downside. So hopefully the pattern will continue and we'll be able to secure these 3 trades that we got going on. 4 trades, 5 trades. Ooh, lots of green bars right here. So that's not a good sign. So usually when this happens, that means the price will have a continuation to the upside. Okay, that's not a good sign, but let's wait and see what happens. Okay, 5 trades going on, and lots of green bars over here, which is not great. So this one potentially we're gonna have a continuation to the upside. Yeah, lots of green bars. I place another one here. Let's have a look at this one. Yeah, seems like the price will have a continuation, and this one is messing about. Let's have a look. Okay, This one right here, don't think we're gonna be a winner on this one. 11 seconds. Oh, a bearish candle right there. Is it gonna be enough? Maybe. This one is going up. Cool. Let's place another one here. Okay, this one is finally coming down, I think. Okay, it came off a little bit, but finally the price is pushing down. This one is pushing up, which is good. Okay, so hopefully if we win this two, so it's going to be 14, so it's going to put us at 10.20. Okay, so let's have a look. We got 11 seconds to go on the first trade, 54 seconds on the next one. So this one right here, lots of grid bars, so potentially going to have a continuation to the upside. So hopefully that will be the case. So 9 seconds on the next trade. Ooh, this one right here is still pushing down. Cool. Okay, 24 seconds. So we are where we started. So 15 seconds. Yeah, 122 is too much. Let's go 111. Back to where we started. Okay, this one had it pump, had a dump. Seems like it's pumping a little bit. So we got 5 seconds and 3 seconds. Okay, cool. Nice strike right there. So, whoa, 121. So the target is 123. So we just need 2 more bucks. And we will be on track for another 1% day. Okay, I think this is the moment where the bearish flag will start to happen. Because as you can see right here, like I said to you in the beginning, this is a bearish flag. And I thought the dump will start over here, but I believe the dump will start now because it failed to break this local high right here, and MACD is showing losing loss of momentum. So potentially, if the price doesn't break this local high right here, this previous high, we might see a dump starting to happen. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna extend this line a little bit. Okay, so the target is right here. We can see the momentum is lost. All right, so if the price doesn't have a continuation to the upside, we're most likely going to see the price coming down, right? So that's probably going to be my last trade of the day, and so we can wrap it up. So it's 19:34, so we are 26 minutes away to 8 o'clock. So hopefully we're going to be able to perform 2-3 trades, and that's it. We're going to call it a day. Continuation to the upside. So we're going to trades right there. Let's see how we go. So we can see lots of green bars on Instagram. And potentially we're going to see a continuation to the upside to this green line right here. We got this bearish red bar, but red candle, but we still got green bars over here on Instagram, MACD. So hopefully price will have a continuation to the upside and we will be able to secure these 4 trades that we got going on. Price is in 2 minds. Everything indicates that we're going to see a continuation to the upside. Hopefully that will be the case and we'll be able to wrap this trading session. So let's see how it goes. We got 15 seconds on the first trade and 45 seconds on the last trade. Let's see how it goes. So 5 seconds on the first one. If we clear this one, we're going to make 740. So the first one is locked. 5 seconds. Second one is done. Third one is done. So we just need to secure this one to clear our daily target. Okay. And yeah, 15 seconds to go. Let's see how it goes. We got this bearish red candle to ruin the daily target. Yeah. Okay, 5 seconds to go. Seems like it's not going to happen. We lost that one. Okay, cool, not a problem. Price is gonna go back to this green line, so we just need one more buck, and that's it. We out. Keep in mind about this one because it's been consolidated. Signal is a little bit weak, but I think I'm gonna risk it for 2 minutes on this one. So just place a 2 minute trade. So we just need to win one trade in order to secure our daily target, which is 1023, 1023.29. I believe that's it. So hopefully we're going to be able to secure this trade and we're going to be able to call it a day. Okay, so I placed 1 minute, well, 2 minutes and 11 seconds this trade because the price is consolidating this too much in this area, but potentially we're going to see a continuation to the downside. So we got a bearish candle right there, but we placed 2 minute trade. So we gotta wait a few more candles, but everything looks bearish. You can see lots of red bars right there. We got a crossover. We can see the price it's below the 100 EMA. We can see the candles are closing below the 7 SMA. So everything indicates that uh, price potentially will have a continuation to the downside. Okay, so let's have a look. We got 1 minute on the first trade and 1 minute and 34 seconds on the second trade. No, so let's see how it goes. Okay, we got this bullish green bar right there. We got another green bar over here. Potentially price will consolidate around this area before decided to go up or down. Okay, so we gotta wait and see. 44 seconds to go. Uh, price is reacting to this area. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully we're gonna be able to secure these two trades so we can wrap it up. Okay. That's all we need. That's all we need. No need to be greedy. So we got 388. So if you make it, it's going to be 1023. So let's see how it goes. Candles are getting weaker. So this one usually is a sign that, the trend is reversing. We got the green bars confirming that. So first trade, I mean, 2 seconds. Uh, that was even. We broke even on that one. So let's have a look at this one right here, 23 seconds, 22 seconds. Ooh, price is really crazy in this area. Okay, we just need to win this one so we can wrap it up. Okay, seems like we're gonna win. 5 seconds. Da, da, da. Yes, sir. 1023, 46. So the goal was 1023, 29. Okay, we got it. So 1023.46. Okay, we move on to the next day. Okay, so we live to fight another day. So tomorrow's target is going to be 1033.69. Okay, and that being said, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.